Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a DIY. See, I have here my Toyota Sienna. I'm gonna change an oil. So regularly we do it every 6 months. So here's the tools that you needed to place the oil. We have here a container for the oil, or the tires to stoppers, and then we have the torque, and then we have the jack. And then we have the oil. See, for Sienna, this is Sienna 2011. Make sure that you have the right kind of oil. So in here, you want to check on your car. You see 0W20-20. So you need to replace exactly the same. Otherwise, it's gonna be a problem because I think some of them are 5W. And this is 0W, means this is thinner than the other one. So if the manufacturer said that you need to replace with the 0W-20, you have to do it and replace it with exactly the same. All right, let's go ahead and replace the oil. Already started draining the oil. You need to open this up. Now when we're done with that, we're gonna do the filter here. We're gonna remove that filter too, and then we're gonna replace it with a new one. We need to replace this one. So to remove this rubber gasket, you need to use a flat screwdriver. Just remove like that. So this is the gasket. We're gonna replace it with a new one. Okay, until it's on. It's set on here. So now we can go back and install. Put the oil. Remember guys, you need to follow this 0W-20. Get the same type of oil. If you're not sure about how many quarts you need, you can, just go to the manual. It's there on the maintenance page. Let's check the manual. With the filter, it should be 6.4, and without the filter, it should be 6 quarts. The other way to check, you can check from here. And according to the manual, the gauge there, did you see the 2 dots in there? Either in the middle or not more than the second one. We already done with 5 quarts. Now I have here another quart. You can see here. Right now it's in almost here. Not really the middle, almost in the middle. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little more. Okay, let's go ahead and check. Oh, all right, now it's almost, yeah, see, now it's in here. So more than the half. I think we're all set, guys. I close this one. The next thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys in how to reset the maintenance. This is do it yourself. If you want to save some money, instead of paying on the shop, you can actually do it by yourself. All you need is just like the oil. You can get an oil. This is like $21 instead of paying like 80 bucks or 100 bucks in the shop. So you just need a tools, an oil, and that's it. You're good to go. All right, let me show you how to reset the maintenance. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how to reset the maintenance. That shows up here. This is need to reset if you already done oil change, and also you can see in here oil maintenance are required. Right now we're gonna turn off the engine. Push this button here. Push that down. There's a start here and there is on. So turn these keys on that. Turn it on while you are pushing and hold it down. And then the maintenance will blink. Once it stops blinking, you release it, and now you didn't see the maintenance required anymore. We already did reset the maintenance, and then we did the oil change. Everything works fine. Start is on. I didn't see any maintenance required anymore, and I didn't see any lights blinking. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, just hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, just go ahead and click subscribe and smash the bell notification so that you will get notified when I uploaded a new video. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.